Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I am architect Vaibhavi and I make content related to architecture and interior. So I am back with the AutoCAD series. So this is the part 6 wherein we are going to be learning how to make floor plan in just 15 minutes. It's a simple basic floor plan of 1 BHK. So without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So let's start making the plan. In the previous video we have discussed how to make the detail layers. Okay, so these are the layers that I have done till now. You will need simple layers like wall, window, door, text, furniture, dimensions, etc. So we will be creating this plan over here. So let's start. We are going to make this plan using the commands that we have learnt till now. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, give a watch and then start with this video. It will be easier for you to learn this in a faster way. So without wasting time, let's start. I'm gonna start with the extension line, that is the command XL. Then I want a vertical line, so V, and offset of 0.3 as external wall. Then again I'm gonna do the 6.6 offset and then 0.23. Okay, then I'm gonna do XL in horizontal, so I have mentioned H as horizontal line. Enter, then press, then again offset of 0.23, and then I'm gonna get a overall distance of this. It is 8.11, so I'm gonna offset 8.11 from this line. Okay, now I'm gonna give 0.23 offset in the inside. So we have this basic box or plan ready. Now let's add the internal lines, like the room is 3 meters. Okay, so I'll add the 3 meter, then 0.15 for the internal wall. Then the room is in length 4, so 4 offset 4, again 0.15 because it is internal wall. I'll just trim it down because we don't want that. And for the toilet we will be doing 1.2 from the inside of the 0.23 wall, and again 0.15 offset and offset 0.15 and done. Trim. Okay, then I want this toilet to be 2.1, 1.2 by 2.1, so offset 2.1, specify the distance, then enter. Again 0.15 for the wall, offset, trim. We have the basic plan ready. So this plan is not in the layer as of now. So if I want to get back to the layer, I will select the drawing, I will go to the layer, I will go to the wall layer, and it is done. Okay, so now let's add the doors and the windows. Now I'm gonna need 0.9 for the doors. Okay, so I'm gonna offset 0.9 everywhere wherever I want doors, and for the toilet door I'm gonna do 0.75, and that's it, and trim again. Okay, and I'm gonna trim these lines. Likewise you do. So you will have a clean plan. So you have a clean plan. Okay, just 4 minutes we are discussing this and we have a basic floor plan ready. Now I'm gonna do the main entrance of 1.2, so the offset of 1.2, then trim. Okay, so now to match this, I'm gonna do match properties, MA, enter, and just select the object and match it. Okay, now if I want to have the doors, so I will select the door. It is already selected. Then Control 3 and you will get the door, or if not, I will teach you how to make a door. Okay, now I will rotate it and open it for 90 degrees. I want it likewise, and then just put it. Okay, so this is one door. Again I'll copy paste and change the direction of the door, and this is our second door for the master bed, and stretch the wall. Okay, and same we'll be doing with the toilet door. You want it to be lesser than, okay, so this is okay. So the toilet door is of what? Okay, and then we will be adding a main door. So we'll rotate it and mirror it, and erase source object. No, we want that for the double door, and just move it. Okay, so now you can see I will have to shift the wall. So stretch and move. You have your door ready. Okay, now for the windows, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this wall line and then just give the offset of 1.8. You have your window lines. Okay, then in the bedroom also I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna extend this wall line 1.8. okay, trim. Then here also we are gonna do the same 0.3. Then delete the rest lines and match property. Okay, then here I don't want a window, so for the window select the layer and just give such lines. Okay, and if you can select this and make it a block as window. Okay, and just copy paste it. Copy paste, copy, specify the base point. Again I want to make it a small, so what I will do is I will explode, I will stretch it, I will keep the ortho mode on. Here I am stretching and I am just moving the object and stretching it to the specified point, and we have our plan ready. Now let's put the furniture. We have the furniture layout. So let's say I will make a kitchen platform from here. Okay, so this is the kitchen platform. Okay, then let's make a wardrobe over here, 0.6. Then here just the line for the common wash. Then sofa, 0.6. I'm just making these drawings, you will get it online also. Let me know if you want the link of those. You will get the block, ready block for the furniture. I will list it down for you. Then we will be making a simple TV unit. And for the bed, let's say 1.8 by 1.8 bed. Okay, and just shift it to the center. Okay, So this is the basic plan. Now let's add the text to it. Let's keep it 0.2. Okay, so this is kitchen, this is living, this is kitchen cum dining area, this is your toilet, this is your master bedroom. Okay, so now if you have to give the dimensions, like this overall dimension, what we will do is DLI dimension. Just start giving the dimensions. So you have your plan ready within 15 minutes. So give this video a try, and if you like me to make such videos, so please do let me know in the comments below. I will see you soon in the next video. And thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel Archituber.